Welcome back to Digital Wealth Tips. In today's video, we'll explore an exciting topic: freelance platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr. We'll show you how these platforms allow individuals to find jobs beyond traditional employment and build successful careers as independent workers. Freelance platforms have become increasingly popular in today's digital age, enabling workers from around the world to offer their services online. Whether you're a programmer, designer, writer, or translator, these platforms open doors to the global market and offer flexibility in work. Before we delve into the details about these platforms, let's highlight some key advantages of working as a freelancer. First, you have the freedom to choose projects and clients that suit you. Second, you can work from home or anywhere in the world, allowing for a better work-life balance. Third, you have the potential for higher earnings as you determine the pricing for your services. Upwork is one of the largest freelancing platforms in the world. It allows you to connect with clients from various industries and offer your services through an online platform. On Upwork, you'll find a wide range of projects, from short-term jobs to long-term collaborations. Whether you're new to freelancing or an experienced expert, Upwork provides opportunities for growth and career development. Fiverr is a unique platform that focuses on microservices. On Fiverr, you can offer various services starting from as low as $5. This platform offers the opportunity to showcase creativity and innovation in providing services. Through reviews and client ratings, you can build a reputation and attract more work. With increasing competition, standing out on freelance platforms is crucial. First, create an appealing profile that showcases your skills and experience. Add samples of your work and provide quality descriptions of the services you offer. Additionally, be active on the platform, respond to client inquiries promptly, and provide excellent customer support. Building a reputation is key to success on freelance platforms. Clients often look at ratings and reviews from other users to select the right freelancer. Therefore, always strive to deliver the best possible service and seek feedback from satisfied clients. With each successfully completed project, your reputation will grow, leading to more opportunities in the future. As a freelancer, it's important to set competitive prices for your services while ensuring that your work reflects the quality you provide. Time management is also crucial, as you'll be working on different projects with varying deadlines. Set realistic expectations with clients and adhere to agreed-upon timelines to build trust. As your reputation grows, you can consider offering additional services or packages to increase your revenue. Think about additional skills you can provide to attract more clients and diverse projects. Self-promotion is essential for success on freelance platforms. Use social media, blogs, and email marketing to promote your services and attract new clients. Additionally, actively participate in online communities and networking events to expand your contact network and discover new business opportunities. Freelance platforms offer outstanding opportunities for those who want to work independently and connect with clients worldwide. Utilize these platforms as your tool for career growth and achieving professional goals. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the topic of freelance platforms, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the Digital Wealth Tips channel to stay updated with new content. See you in the next video.